card game with farm animals and a twist to this. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to take, cutting from here, opening the cardboard, cutting the pieces, glue them.
What size of the piece?
What size? Let's see, I think 2.5 inches over 2. Oh. So what I'm going to do, I do the same thing. I trace it on the green, on the green paper. And I choose green because I was thinking something to do with farm animals, greenery. Okay. And now you cut it in half. You cut this in half. And we are going to glue it on this side. Okay. Just need the 4 corners. You glue, oops. You glue the green. Perfect. And then we have another one. I glue ahead of time, so you have a finish game. Okay. It's really easy. Easy. If by any chance you cut too small, too big, what you do, you go, fix it here, and you trace it. When that's okay, don't worry about this. But wait till this one is dry. Otherwise it's going to move. Okay, so I made 2 cards. I made 2 cards. And on the card you are going to glue a farm animal. You can buy them in arts and craft shop, in yarn places, children arts and craft. So some of them have a stick in the back and you stick them directly, or some of them you need to use the glue. I think I use the glue. Now, all of the farm animals. Now what you are going to do, the game is coming with a song. It's going to be, you have to pick, you spread all the cards on the table, and you have to find the one that is different than the other. Okay, you turn and you turn and turn on this end. And this is the game. And you do like this. Turn the cards that are on the table. When you stop, pick the card that is different than the other. What is different? All of them are farm animal, and this is the barn. This is not an animal, this is a building. Now, if you want, you can have more cards, like I have here. Spread more cards, farm animals. Okay? And this is like a game for age 4 or mature 3.5. Okay? Now, instead of having the barn, we can have, what is this? A fish. And we glue it. We pick up, we glue it on the card, and now we can play the same game. Turn the card that are on the table. When you stop, pick the card that is different than the others. And what is different? This is a fish, and all of them are farm animals. Now you can glue a dinosaur. And this is going to be different. You take stick on. Remove the pieces. Okay. And you know what? Because this one is bigger than the card I left here, so it's not going to stick, and the tail is outside. Actually, it's cute. And you do the same game. And what is different? The dinosaur. Now, this is for age 3.5 and 4. Now, for age 2, we can do the game that we need to find. You turn the cards upside down, like this, and you need to find the match. And this is for age 3 and 4, okay? And you can use as many cards, as older you are, you can have more cards. Let's see, put all of them on the table. And this one, you can use the barn. because you need to find the same barn. If the kids are younger, you use less cards. For age 2, you use about 4 to 6 cards. For age 3, you add some more. Okay? And you mix it, and the child makes it. You can play with your son, with your child. You can play with, or she can play with their friends. And now you pick one from any place you want. And here I have a cow. This is for age 2, remember? Then I'm going to pick this one. They're a match? No. So you put them back. Now the other child is playing. What is this? A pig. And this one is a barn. They're a match? No. This is how you play the game.